Hey guys, so I just created this heart bag from happycraftershop.com. Check out my channel so you can see the tutorial on how to put this together. And I just went ahead and punched a hole here, and I wanted to create some dangles to put on the side. So I'm gonna be using the beads that she sent in my design team package. And so I'm starting off with a ball pen, daisy spacer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bead this beautiful, this is one of my favorites from what she sent, these heart ones, and there's several colors. And then I'm gonna go in with another daisy spacer and a disco ball bead in pink, and I'm gonna top it off with another daisy spacer. And I think I want to stop there. But you can add so much, guys. She's got all these cute beads in the shop. Like that would be cute, but I don't want it that long. I'm going to go ahead and stop it right here. So I'm just going to take my needle nose pliers and I'm going to roll. Keep on rolling. And then there goes your little dangle, guys. So cute. I should have put a little seed bead there on the curve, but that's fine. Let's make another. I just want to show you guys how you can use these beads. Let me see. Let me grab another bead cap. And I want to dress up this bead. This is another one that is on her site. So I like to use my fancy little bead caps to pretty it up some more. So it's not just a plain bead. And so I'll go ahead and use a smaller ball pen. I don't like cut them unless I have to. And then I'll put the bead cap, the solid bead, and another bead cap to finish it off. You could even do a daisy spacer on top, but I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and take my round nose pliers and roll all the way to the base. And then we have another bead to add. So check out Happy Crafter Shop. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna attach it to our bag. I've already punched a hole. And so I'm just gonna use a jump ring. Let me grab my other pliers. You wanna use 2 sets and you wanna twist in opposite directions. One towards you and one away to open your jump ring. And you're just gonna simply loop your beads. You can add charms to this. I'm just gonna loop these 2 like that. I think that's cute. You can even add a charm. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the hole. And still gripping that jump ring, I'm gonna use my other one to grab the other side. And we're just gonna pull the 2 together again in opposite directions, okay? And you want to keep doing this until you get a good close. Close it all the way. You don't want to have a gap because it will come loose. And that's how you add some charms to your projects. Cute little dangles on your projects. All right, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this project. And I'll catch you in the next video.